How I was raped by the driver of a man that was asking me out. I share a story from one of my followers here on TikTok, and this is her true life experience. On a fateful day, I just went out to get something, and this guy walked up to me and said that his boss wanted my number. I asked him why his boss couldn't come himself, and he just said his boss can just come out of the car. I refused, but this guy was just very persistent. He kept following me until I just gave him the number so he would go away. Later that day, a number from outside Nigeria just video called me directly. I did not want to take that call, but I just said because it's a strange number, let me just pick it up. When I did, it was a Chinese man in his late 40s that picked up the call. He explained that he gave his driver his phone to get his number from me, and then I remembered the occasion, so it was no problem. We just talked, and then he said he wants to take me out on a date. I had a boyfriend then, so I was like 0% interested. He insisted. Many days he would call me. Like, this went on for like 2 weeks. He kept calling me, just a date, just to sit out and talk, nothing serious. And so finally I just decided to go meet him. At this time I was only 19 years and I just got admission into the university. I went on a date with this Chinese man, and he actually spent a lot of money that day. Like, he gave me lots of cash when I was going. Like, for no reason, he just gave me this cash. But truly, I was not interested because I had a boyfriend then, and I was not just interested in this man in any way. So that was the last time I spoke to him. I didn't call him anymore. I wasn't taking his call. I wasn't just talking to him anymore. Don't know how his driver got my number, so he actually sent me a message on WhatsApp begging me to go out with his boss. For months, he was begging me, like he was on my WhatsApp, texting me every day, telling me, I want you to go out with my boss. I was like, I'm not interested. He said my boss is not happy and he's complaining about it, and that's not making me happy. I told him I'm not just interested. Then told me that since you're not interested, I have a way we can get money from my boss. He really likes you, and there's a way we can get money from him. Can we meet and just sit out and then we discuss about it? I don't know why, but I accepted to meet up with the driver in a sit out. We met and he was just singing about his boss, how his boss loves me and his boss is willing to spend any kind of money on me. He said I should just pretend as if I like his boss, and his boss was going to spend a lot of money on me. Not even need to sleep with his boss, that he's going to spend a lot of money. He just gave me some kind of strategy on how to talk to the boss. I just accepted everything and we were just gisting. Soon he started talking about his own self, talking about his sister. Like, we were just sitting in a sit out and we were just gisting. To me, it was just nothing. It was pretty late, and so I decided to go home. Driver then told me that he just wants to get something at his house behind the sit-out, and then he will go drop me. I felt like it was no big deal, so I just escorted him. When we got there, he opened his house door. It was like a single room, and it was very dark, and the music from the sit-out was very loud. He told me he wants to go pee outside, so I just sat down at the chair beside his door waiting for him. Omo, our time don't finish. Just like and follow so you no go miss part 2. And also, you can send a DM on the Instagram on my profile to share your story. Bye!